Not sure how to use your Haier AC remote? Model number 00104045555U. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Haier AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. The timer button allows you to set your AC to turn on or off automatically at a specified time. Change the time using the temperature up or down buttons, and the unit will follow the schedule for comfort and energy efficiency. Pressing the Auto Clean button activates the AC's self-cleaning function. It removes dust, dirt, and moisture from the evaporator, preventing mold growth and ensuring cleaner, fresher airflow. Set and Cancel button. Press once to confirm or activate a setting, and press again to cancel or exit the current operation. It simplifies control by combining setting and canceling actions into a single button. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Press the Mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Pressing the Eco button activates energy-saving mode, where your AC balances cooling and power use. It adjusts fan speed and temperature settings automatically. The My Temp button allows you to save and activate your preferred temperature setting. With a single press, the AC automatically adjusts to your saved comfort level without requiring manual changes each time. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Want more from your AC? Press the Extra Function button to unlock smart features like Child Lock, Display On-Off, or Health Ionizer mode. Locks all buttons on the remote and indoor unit to prevent accidental changes. Press again to unlock. Display On-Off turns the AC's display light off for a dark room and back on when needed. Health/Ionizer mode. When activated, this mode releases negative ions into the air, which help reduce dust, bacteria, and allergens. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the Swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. Press the Turbo button to activate rapid cooling or heating at maximum fan speed. This feature quickly brings the room to your desired temperature in less time. Press it again to the Turbo button and activate the Quiet mode. The indoor unit reduces its fan speed and compressor noise to maintain a quieter environment, making it ideal for sleeping, studying, or working without disturbance. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the Mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Haier AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.